I oversee the Pulaski County Brownfields, which is a community redevelopment program that is funded by the EPA and administered by Pulaski County. We provide funding for the cleanup of environmental hazards within the community on commercial properties that have been abandoned or are currently active but are seeking a new ownership. Community revitalization is economic revitalization. And I know we hear a lot of talk of, economic revitalization. None of that can happen without you first focusing on the community. We have a great working relationship with Snyder, dating back to our first project that was right around 2012, 2013. Since about 2012, we've been able to clean up around 250,000 square feet that before had been abandoned for 25 years. To be able to provide the community with that has been very uplifting and makes me want to come into the office every day.
We don't really know all that the future holds for the renovation of downtown Little Rock. What we know is that it is continuing to move forward, and that's exciting. Part of what you see with Main Street now, a lot of renovation to existing buildings.
We have done over 1 million square feet of asbestos abatement in the downtown Little Rock area alone. These buildings and these facilities, they have stories, but you may not know about them until you're able to find a reason to dig into it.
It makes me feel good. It makes me feel good that before, whenever I walk downtown, you would not see anybody, and now it's full of life.
The model that is here has also happened in Northwest Arkansas. It's happening in downtown Jonesboro and Northeast Arkansas, and you're starting to see it in smaller communities getting organized around what makes us unique and how do we take advantage of our location and our history.